Are you confused about smoke alarms? This is a product we're currently using. It's called Red Smoke Alarms. They're a local company from the Sunshine Coast. This product has a 10-year battery, so you don't need to change batteries in these. Okay, one of the benefits to switching to a Red Smoke Alarm is they actually come with a 10-year manufacturer's warranty, and that's parts and labour. So if one of these was to fail, the manufacturer will send someone out to change that for you at no cost. Okay, this is an optional extra. It comes with a smoke alarm kit if you purchase one. It's actually a controller that goes on the wall. It's not actually a smoke alarm. A really cool feature is if your smoke alarms are going off, you can press the locate button, which will tell you which one is actually sounding, and also you can silence them.